Welcome back at the Just Sawdust workshop. The third video already from the parts that came off that broken chandelier. The little storage cabinet, the Art Deco lamp, and now this little, I don't know, vase or bowl or whatever. And I'm not sure whether I'm going to put a lid on it or just wax this all and then leave it like this. This is cork oak. There's a few cracks in it, but it's all waxed, so I don't know yet whether I'm going to put a lid on it. And then I've got this part, so I found 2 pieces of olive wood. So maybe I could make a base and a lid on this. Maybe that's nice. And then we've got almost all the parts done from this old broken chandelier. So let's see what we can do with this. Didn't go well. It broke. And why did it break? Because there was already a massive play on the lathe. So it's another lesson. 99 euros for a lathe. Forget it. Crazy. So we gotta find another solution. That's it for now. We have to see what we do with this. I can't use the faceplate on the lathe because, you know, the axle comes in and out. So when I use it with the headstock or whatever you call that on the other side, it's okay, but making something big with that faceplate isn't going to work anymore. So I don't know what to do with that. But, so this is still a project that will come. Also the bulb holders, light holders, candle things. But for now, we've got a nice little vase. Could be a prize for somebody, you know. I don't know. Yeah, I think it looks nice. And waxed it all. Don't gonna make a lid on it because it just looks nice like this, with a nice piece of cork oak. Yeah, bit of a strange way to mount it together, but you can even put a candle in it. If you get a bigger candle, you know, it will work fine. So that's it for this video. A bit of a unwanted end, but sometimes those things happen. I'm going to go on with this project. These things have to be used, so we can take something else from the attic and use that to make projects. So for now, hope to see you in the next video. At the logo.